Hello! Yesterday we had a smooth win with black, and today we are playing white. Let's try to make this a win again. We play like always, very traditional E4. We get the horse out. And our player is exactly or almost exactly the same strength. So our black player attacks the white pawn as well. One of the possibilities would be taking. Let's go for the taking. I don't know if that is good or bad, or another taking of black as well. I don't really know what to do with this now. Okay, we go get the bishop out to put a bit of pressure on the pawn on f7, but I am sure that other player will see this. Very good. So I am getting maybe the queen out like this. Then black might go there. Tack, attack. It is a very difficult decision if black takes. Let's try that, we will see. Black will go there with the horse. That is pretty certain. Then I will advance. This is not good. I'm going to lose the bishop because of that. Again, I need to think before playing, not playing and starting to think afterwards. If black goes away with the horse, threatening the queen, then I need to move the queen. And then, oh, everything totally different now. That is even something more complicated. So now black is attacking both the horse and I have put myself in a very complicated trouble. Let us first maybe if I chess there. White might advance. Let us do this. If white advances, I will put the horse there, and there is really no problem. How can this game become already so complicated? Yes, I thought so. So no problem. We can take with our pony if black takes, I take the tower. So black cannot do that. Black is going to move the tower away. I really need more pieces in this battle. So, oh yeah, so black actually takes, so I can take this. Perfect. Shall I design? I cannot advance this pawn, right? If I take like this, black takes, I take white, bam, bam. Very bad idea, but I can chase the horse here away. I think that is the most important now. And then I need to do something so that this pawn here goes out of the way, and that my queen can move again, because it is a bit blocked, although it is in a very good position. So if black goes there, perfect. We rock a weak castle. So if I check now, that would be really good actually. Then black needs to move the queen. It's almost mandatory. So check. The horse is going to go in front. Exactly. And then I can fork both of them. This one will go there, exactly. But I will still win a minor piece. There we go. Oh, then we can go back here. Very good. Tack, tack, tack. We can get out here. Perfect. Now I think it is best if we do like this. Then we can come out with the tower on that side, I think. I need to get out the bishop urgently to put pressure on the horse of black that is there alone. I take, the bishop takes, there take. Okay, then again here. This is a very intense game. I like it because none of us is doing any critical mistakes, and like this we are both very frustrated of this game. Okay, so now the situation is different. In the beginning, black was threatening two minor pieces. Now it is our turn. We take the horse. Black needs to take here. Perfect. Alors, what is going to be our next movement? I get out the pony on the left side. I don't want to go on the right side because then it is on d2. Okay, no problem. This gives me another possibility to attack. Perfect. Let us threaten the queen. The queen will attack like this probably. Then we will make check. Exactly, that is no problem. So now check. That is for sure the best situation we have for now. Okay. This is getting super complicated. Huh? If I go there, I threaten that piece, but then black can attack, but there it cannot do anything, and I take. This is a bit a crazy action, I think. How much time do we still have? Not super much. Let's think. With the queen there doesn't help us. The queen there. Tack. Chess. Then white will do perpetuate chess. I cannot do this. Let us do this. It is a very dangerous move, I think. But yes, that is. Oh la la, that was a very bad move even. This might have been the losing move. How are we going to do this now? If I do check there, it comes back. Check there, I get taken my horse. If I come here, no, I decline because now can. Oh, I have. I resign. Very good. This was a loss, but I'm pretty happy about the game. It was a very intense game. My opponent would like to chat. It doesn't matter. Yes, but I want to review the game. I think it will be interesting. And let us review it. We made, both of us, a lot of blunders. And chess.com, the machine, he gives us quite bad ratings, bad accuracy. What does that mean? Compared to the top chess computer moves, that doesn't matter. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3D. Okay. Okay, that's not ideal. Okay, that is good. The best move was to tactically win a pawn. Then I want to understand how. Okay. What is the follow-up? Okay. Yes, that was actually a good idea. Next, we are doing this. Okay, yeah. Threatening there. And until there, I think it's not too drastical, except that the next move, this chess. No, this chess was actually, this was a very good move, I think. We took very smooth. First chess. And what is the follow-up? Okay, like this. Then take, and then take. But then I lose a bishop. That seems a bit... I don't know if that is better. But okay. Why is it better to play chess first? I don't know. Anyway, here it has advantages. I win a piece and I pin the black bishop to the king. But no, I lose a bishop too. The best move was to prepare. I thought about this, but if I do this, then black takes. Exactly. And what do I do then? Yeah, I could have with my bishop. Okay. I was a bit overly too cautious about this pawn. Yeah. Even if I lose a piece, developing is very important. And there I did two very bad moves. I want to go have a look at this. Preparing the bishop was more important. Yeah, obviously. A chance to win their knight. What is? Okay, moving with the king was the best decision. Actually, by checking, I help the king get out of this situation, but then there is still the queen, of course. It is the follow-up. Such a complicated follow-up this would have been. but maybe not. But I do not understand. Why would this not be a possibility? Overloading. Yeah. So using this spawn was actually by all situations the best situation. Yeah, could have done a chest there. So moving this pawn is actually never good. I'm surprised this is actually the best move. Why would this move not have been better? I cannot, yeah. So this queen there created me a bit of problems. This is really a whole lot of taking would have been better than taking like this. Very bad. Okay. What would this best have been? Yeah, getting out the horse, that would have been actually pretty good. I don't know why I didn't think about this, but yeah. Oof! This would have been a drastical move. Here, not so. Not such a good way to play. Yeah. That's good. Then bringing out the bishops like that. There was a better option, he says. Taking first switches, of course. Oh la la! Of course, it would have been the best. Not taking back, but no, but that's too riskful. I would never have done this. Okay. Best was to get okay. What was it? No, the follow-up of their taking. Okay. We are winning material there, and here I made a gigantic mistake. Of course, that is where I actually here the computer thinks we are winning by very far, but there we made like a drastic mistake. This creates a checkmate threat. Chess. I didn't want to do this because of all the checks. But this would have been way better indeed. Okay, there, well, not ideal, but it was a very good game until a certain point where I messed up. I played, then I thought, instead of thinking and then playing, but it was still a very fun game. There was a lot of pressure on both sides, so nice. I lost, but I still feel satisfied because I have the impression I learned a lot. So let's try to bring this new learning in the next game.